Picture this, you're a personal trainer in Chicago working out of your apartment. You just spent your last $6,500 on a crazy idea, healthier meat sticks. Fast forward to 13 years, that side hustle just hit $1 billion in annual sales. No venture capital, no Shark Tank, just two guys, a manufacturer, and a strategy so counterintuitive it would make most marketers quit on day one. Hi, I'm Azra from ZipChat, and in this video, I'm breaking down how Chomps used 3 e-commerce strategies to turn a $6,500 bet into America's fastest growing food brand. Let's dive in. It's 2012. Pete is a personal trainer spending hours on crafting these healthy, super elaborate meal plans for his clients. But here's the thing, nobody's following them. Fair enough, because these are super busy people. His clients are consultants, lawyers. They need something they can grab and go. So Pete checks what's available. Gas stations, vending machines. There are Slim Jims, Jack Links, but they are horrible. 6 grams of sugar and ingredients he can't even pronounce. And then Pete remembers that he used to love meat sticks as a kid. But reading the labels now, obviously it's terrible for your health. And then he thinks to himself, why doesn't a healthier version exist? Fast forward to a poker game, his friend Rashid is there, and Pete pitches his idea. What if he made meat sticks, but actually healthy? Rashid asks how much they need to test it. So they start doing the math right there. Ingredients, packaging, minimum order from a manufacturer, and it all sums up to $6,500. So they scrape together their savings and start cold calling manufacturers. Finally, they find Kevin Western, a guy in Missouri who makes meat sticks for fun. And he says, okay, let's try it. And they launch Chomps from Pete's condo. Their website, CrossFit gyms, and a few natural food stores. First year, $50,000 in sales. And let's not lie, most people would call that a failure. But Pete and Rashid discovered something in their early customer data, something that would change everything. The certification discovery engine. While their competitors were spending thousands on Facebook ads, Pete and Rashid took a different bet. They spent every spare dollar into certifications. Their team thought they were crazy. They thought nobody cares about badges. But Pete understood certification do 3 things. 1, there are search terms. Google Whole30 snacks. Certified brands show up. 2, they're trust signals. Third-party verifications will always beat any type of claim you'll make about yourself. 3, they're retail keys. Trader Joe's and Whole Foods search for certified products. And here's the payoff. In 2016, Trader Joe's reaches out. Not from ads, not from influencers. They saw the Whole30 badge. Pete recalls that Trader Joe's was specifically looking for Whole30 products. And that certification opened the door to millions of customers overnight. One retail partnership triggered by a certification took them from $100K to multi-millions in a year. First step for store owners. Don't overlook the power of certifications. Especially in industries like food, beauty, supplements, certifications are super, super, super important. Research which ones your customers search for. Vegan, organic, fair trade, what is it? Budget $2,000 to $5,000 for your top 2 certifications. And put them everywhere. Product pages, Amazon, Google Shipping, and your packaging. Track the results. Trust me, you'll see 20 to 40% more organic traffic to your certified products. And when it's the time to pitch to retailers, lead with certifications. It's the fastest yes you'll get. By 2019, Chomps was doing a few million in revenue from that Trader Joe's boost. But they had a problem. They were spending a lot of money on ads, but there were no system, no real tracking. That's when they made their first key marketing hire. And the first thing she did was to rebuild everything. Proper tracking, attribution models, and now they could actually see what was driving sales. Then came the bold call. Instead of spreading budget thin across all channels, they went all in on what converted. 60% on Meta, Facebook and Instagram, 25% on Google, search and shopping, and 15% on everything else. Most brands treat content creation and paid ads as 2 complete separate things. Chomps fuse them together into one system. Here's how it worked. Step 1, recruit real people. Not celebrities, not models, real customers. Teachers grabbing snacks in between classes, or nurses on 12-hour shifts. They would send free products with one ask. If you love it, post about it and tag us. Zero pressure. The ones who posted organically, they'd offer them affiliate commissions plus monthly free products. Step 2, turn that content into ads. Every week, they would collect around 10 to 15 pieces of authentic content. Then they would create 10 to 15 ad variations. Different hooks, different testimonials, different angles. Step 3, test ruthlessly. Each variation got $20 a day on Meta for 3 days. Bottom 50% performers killed immediately. Top performers scaled up. And here's a secret weapon. They would get permission to run ads through the creator's actual personal account. So when you're scrolling through Facebook and see like a fitness mom talk about Chomps, it really doesn't feel like an advertisement. And the data proves it. These type of ads got 2.5 times more engagement than traditional brand ads. 40% lower cost per acquisition, constant creative refresh without expensive production. The results over just 2 years between 2019 to 2021, 32% decrease in customer acquisition cost. And they scaled from 50K per month to 400K per month in DTC revenue. How? They stopped trying to convince people to buy. They started showing people already like them buying. Second tip for store owners. Build your content engine before scaling ads. Stop running the same 3 ads for months. Here's your system. Week 1, find 10 customers who love your product and offer $50 store credit for photos and videos. Week 2, find 5 micro-influencers in your niche. Send free products, no pressure. Week 3, turn everything into 10 ad variations with different hooks. Week 4, test each with $20 a day. Kill the losers, scale the winners. Repeat this every single month. After 3 months, you will have more than 100 authentic ads that destroy anything a creative agency would produce. Strategy 3, your Shopify store as your growth engine. Now, here is where most D2C brands miss a massive opportunity. They build their Shopify store, they launch it, and that's also like maybe they tweak the homepage once a quarter. Chomps, though, they constantly tested everything. Product descriptions, high protein snack or Whole30 approved full, which resonates more. Images. Lifestyle shots versus ingredient callouts versus nutrition facts upfront. Pricing strategies. Different bundle offers or subscribe and save percentages. Promotions. Free shipping over $50 or buy 2 get 1 free. After 30 days, the winner became their new baseline. Then they would test something else. The results? 291% increase in DTC sales in 2 years. But here's something that I personally find super interesting. They use post-purchase surveys to ask customers, how did you first hear about us? And they discovered something absolutely wild. 45% of their online customers discovered them offline at Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, or Target. These people tried Chomps in like a retail store, loved it, then came online to subscribe for an auto delivery. This insight changed everything for them. They realized their DTC side and retail weren't competing. They were actually working together in a flywheel. Retail builds awareness, customer tries product, subscribes online, higher LTV. Third tip for store owners. Turn your Shopify store into your data goldmine. Run constant tests. 2 different product descriptions each month. Use Shopify's A/B testing or Google Optimize. 2 different homepage hero images each week. And finally, 2 different bundle offers every quarter. After 30 days, check your analytics and the winner becomes your new baseline. Use those insights everywhere. Ads, email campaigns, and your content. And if you ever decide to approach retail, you'll walk in with mountains of data proving exactly what works. The compound effect. Let's zoom out and look at what happened when Chomps stacked all these strategies. 2013, $50,000. Certifications opened the door. 2016, Trader Joe's breakthrough. 2019, built the content machine. Performance marketing dialed in. 2020, 45 million in sales. 2023, 245 million. 2024, 500 million. So this year, in 2025, they're on track for 1 billion in annual sales. Here's my question for you. Which strategy you're implementing first? Certifications to unlock organic growth, the content machine, or turning your online store into a testing lab? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss next week's breakdown. And if you want to scale your e-commerce store like Chomps did, check out ZipChat. We help brands automate customer support with AI so you can focus on growth. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next week.